Welcome back to the Fire Grind. My name is Daniel, and in this channel we talk about personal finance. And typically I use Wealthsimple Trade for stock market investing, so I figured I'll make a series on the how-tos of Wealthsimple Trade. And if you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple Trade yet, there's a link down below in the description, and if you sign up today and you trade $100 worth of stocks, you'll get $10 for free added to your portfolio. This used to be $5 and now it's $10, so take it if you want to, otherwise continue watching the video. In today's video, I'll be going over how you can make a limit buy or a limit sell, and I'll be showing you an example of this. So first of all, we're going to go over the limit sell, and I'm going to be selling Morneau Chappelle. So I bought this stock at around $33.37, and I want to actually do a limit sell such that it sells when it gets up to $34. I don't want to sell at the current price of $32 or so, because I don't want to sell at a loss. So I'm going to select market sell, but change that to a limit sell. And then here it's asking me what's the lowest price per share I'm willing to sell Morneau Chappelle, and I'll put in $34. Hit continue, and then this asks me for how many shares I want to sell. So I'm going to choose all my shares, and after that it's going to give me a message saying that the markets aren't open right now because I'm doing this on Sunday. But they'll open up on Monday at 9:30, and this is when the trade will start to execute. So as soon as the stock prices go up and down, and eventually if it hits $34, this limit sell will activate. And also I can keep my order open for 90 days if I click on this slider here. So I do want to keep this open for the next 90 days and execute whenever the shares hit $34. If I don't click this, it's only going to be active for one full day, so on Monday, June 8th, and after that the trade will expire. So now I'm going to hit the confirm order button to confirm my order. And basically the order has been set, and now that limit sell is in place for when Monday comes around. Now we're going to do a limit buy on Well Health Technologies. So we can see we're here in Well Health Technologies and we hit the buy button. I'm going to trade in my personal account, and I'm going to do a limit buy rather than a market buy. And the limit which I want to pay for Well Health is $2.60, which I actually stated in a previous video if you're interested in that. That'll be in the link down in the description below. And here we're going to be buying about 10 shares to start off, because I think that the shares could continue going down a bit more, but I want to snag them if they hit 260. So again, we get the same message saying that the market's not open. Hit continue, and I'm going to have this order open for 90 days as well, and confirm the order, and it's sending the order now, and there we go. We've sent our limit buy for Well Health. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do limit sells and limit buys on Wealthsimple Trade. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And hit that subscribe and notification bell if you want to keep up to date with my YouTube journey, as well as I reveal all my positions in my Wealthsimple portfolio. I'm doing a series called Invest With Me. So this is where I talk about my portfolio, the moves that I'm making, and the stocks that I'm interested in. So subscribe if you're interested in that. Keep up the grind and have a great day.